Yep, the water level is kind of high right now. Whoa. Okay. And no beach anymore. Unbelievable. Wow. Part of the dock here is underwater. Never mind, where's Waldo? Where's my dock? Oh boy. Yeah, it's becoming a problem now. Water's going up to my steps. And lo and behold, whoops, I think that could be one of the planks from my brother-in-law's dock, and I think it's under the water. Oh yeah, no longer see it. Oh man, what a day. Well, let's make the best of it. I've got to go and pick that up before it floats away. Now how many more are there out there floating somewhere? God knows where. But I managed to use this strap, pull it out of the cold water onto the lawn. But so lots of branches and stuff floating in the water. Whew. Kind of heavy. Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna walk up there and see if there's more floating and stuck somewhere so I can put them ashore. Oh, we got stuff floating. Oh man, I'll go check in there. I sure hope that my husband's boots don't have holes, because I'm gonna find out soon. Yeah, like I suspected, it's going over the wall here. And we got more. Voila. I'll catch these three here and see if I can, I don't know if that one's fixed over there on the dock, that's remaining there. But I'll have to put these up here. Okay. I'll start doing my inner Wonder Woman here and do what I can. Man, this water's cold. Holy moly! These are getting heavier after a few, and your hands are cramping from the coldness. Come on, Sylvie, two more. Two more. Man. I got three there. I pushed this thing up so that it doesn't float away. And I got Bailey's helping me out. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, not looking good. We're gonna have 3-4 days of rain. The dams are full open. Oh, there's going to be way more water. I'm going to have to hoist all those up a little higher. Yeah, we're going to need to hoist these up too. A little higher because, yeah, there's going to be a lot more rain. A lot more water. Wow. I managed to pick up what was floating in there. Yeah. Whew. What a terrific morning! My brother-in-law's dock is completely underwater, and the planks just simply went bye-bye. Come on, little buddy. You can do it. Oh. Good morning, sweetheart. Yep, another rainy day today. I'm at the workshop right now, working on some stuff. Yeah, patched up a few of these horse blankets for a good friend of mine who has horses. And let's see what I'm up to. Okay. So I've got my horse tack pattern pack here, and I asked her for some of her horse tack so I can check it out and see how intricate they can be, and I'll put my own twist to mine. I've stenciled my horse tack pattern, and this is the inlay that I'll be putting in. Beautiful gold, nice sheen to it. Ooh, super cool. Okay, well, for the breast collar, here's one side. It's hand stitched. I'm just waiting for the hardware online to come in, and here's the other piece. I'll be stitching that one soon. Had to be glued overnight. So far so good, I'm getting there.